right, go ahead. This is a 530-ton slab side press. Got new controls, new hydraulics. The press is now moving up in fast close. We're going to run it through a full clamp cycle, which the minimum time setting is 90 seconds. So once it clamps up here, still it's in slow close right now. Okay, now it's going up to tonnage. The blue light comes on. When it times out, it'll switch to a green light. Green solid or flashing? Green flashing. And then you have to hit the open button on the press. After we run a cycle here, we'll show the light curtains. The back and sides are all hard guarded. The front's guarded with the light curtains. When we do the cycle with the light curtains, I'm just going to have them close it partially and show that it works, and then we'll open it just to keep the video from getting too long. Okay, now it's blinking, hit open, the press will open. Obviously you can adjust the limit switches so you don't open it all the way every time if you don't need all that space. Okay, now we're going to start going up, break the light curtains. It'll show a fault on the screen. Okay, now he's switching to manual open. Light curtains on the open cycle, same thing. Restart the press. Got to hit the screen and clear the fault for the red light to go off. Okay, that completes the testing of the 530-ton slab side press.